Hello.
Hi. We are here with a fun recipe.
Cornbread.
Corn.
Without the corn. Minus the corn.
So it would just be bread.
Yeah. Corn-like. The corn mimicking bread.
Faux cornbread. Now this is a fun recipe. I was skeptical. But if you've seen the Hush Puppy recipe, it's actually possible to make something that's really similar to cornbread and corn meal types of breads.
Wow.
What do you think?
If you guys like cornbread, you will love this. Do you know what it needs?
Butter.
Butter.
That's before I said, would you like me to bring some butter?
Well,
And you said no.
this tastes just like cornbread.
Let me taste.
It really does. It has the spongy characteristic of cornbread.
It really does. It's such a nice consistency.
And to be able to consume this without worrying about your blood sugars, it's huge.
If you made some chili that's just meat,
There's
chili,
nothing better than cornbread
some
with chili.
jalapenos and cheese.
That's right.
Boy, it's awesome. Well, here's how to make it.